morning. Good afternoon na pala guys. Today, punta akong Winnipeg. Bibili ako ng itong bulb para sa dashboard. Bali busted kasi dun sa fuel gauge. Busted yung ilaw, so mag-check ako. Okay, samahan nyo ako guys. Punta ako city. Okay, I just went here in the shop part source in Winnipeg and bought this specific bulb for my Toyota Echo, and I'm gonna install it right away because it's just easy to replace that one. So as you can see, it's just a mini bulb, and I have the cover for that. Okay, so the first thing is just to remove the cover, and there's a screw on the right and left of the cluster. So one, just trying to unscrew the right and the left one, and then when it's loose, just have to pull it towards you. Okay, just make sure you to turn off first your car, just for safety, and just try to remove it, pull it towards you, and you can check on the back, on the side of the fuel gauge on the right. That's the bulb that I will gonna replace because that one is busted. So I've already removed the instrument cluster for my Toyota Echo, and as you can see, I'm trying to remove the bulb holder and the holder itself. You just have to turn the holder to counterclockwise. It's kind of tricky because it's every time you pull it towards or straight up, it keeps on staying in the middle. So my trick is just pull and then concentrate it on the side. Okay, so good thing I was able to remove it that easy. And I'm just trying to compare the bulb right here, and that blue one actually is just the cover for the bulb. So yeah, you can easily just pull it, and then that old one busted the clamp or bulb, we're gonna replace by a new one. Okay, so that one, I actually just researched that bulb online, and yeah, for $6 you can have two of them, two mini bulbs. So I have spare for if ever I got a busted light specific to that one. I'm just gonna keep it, and yeah, I can use it anyway. So now I already switched the new one. I'm just gonna return it back, and of course you have to push it in the middle and then just turn it clockwise to lock it up. And yep. So after that, just have to make sure it's secured and properly locked, not loosed. And then just try to check everything if it's good. I actually tried to double check it, not twice actually, just twice, just to be sure. Okay. So now that the LED works, I've already checked it when I turn it on. So I have to turn on the lights, and you can check the left side for the other signals, and for the fuel gauge, yeah, I can see it's working, so it's good. Then after that, just have to tighten it up using the Phillips screw. And just return everything right here, and it's perfect. Okay. Everything is working. It will be like 35 minutes drive here in from St. Norbert. So ayan, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung lugar. Ito yung part source saan ako bumili ng LED or lamp for the instrument cluster. So now it's working. I can go home.